To give the same, Bosch brings you a new range of top-load washing machines. Crafted with germ paddles at the bottom, resemble the rough surface in a hand wash. The pumping tower creates water splashes as in a hand wash, and magic filter removes lint. The 3 cam impellers move up and down, mimicking the pounding action of a hand. And a scrub pad cleans even the most stubborn stains, just like you remove them by hand. Indian laundry needs. Our latest top-load washing machine with the innovative Expert Care wash system.